Alright, we got a 2011 Honda Accord. After we install an amplifier and a speaker, when you drive, it make that big loud noise. So we're gonna do a audio cancellation on this. Okay, on the top you'll see two Phillips. We're gonna take that out, unscrew that loose. Now he's gonna have to try to pull that out. There might be some more screw down here. Okay, you're gonna have to take two more screw out by prying that light off right there. Just a clip right there too. Here there's a clip in there. Clip look like this too. Just have to pry it, pull it harder. I know you hit a piece here. Yeah, like that. See how the clip looks? That clip looks like that. So pull that out. Pry this off the same way. Just like this. Screw on. Can you do that without breaking? No. Here. Just pry it out like that. Doing the same thing right here. Yeah, it won't hurt anything. Just cut straight out. Yep. Why the hell do I have so much part under this? Okay, now there's two screws that you're gonna have to take out right there. So the whole thing will come down like that. Pull it forward and then just unplug this piece right here. Here, pick this piece. That piece, the black piece right here. Where's my hand? Right there, just unplug that. Should be a push. Yeah, having some problem on that, but yeah, you got it. So basically you put a flat head and push this piece right here, that piece, and then it should be off. Okay, in order to do this, we're gonna have to press the setup button. So you're right here, so you want to go to the interface feedback. So we're gonna have to dial this piece right here. Right there, you see the highlights on there. You click enter, and then you want to change it to off, and then you click back, and then let's play the system. All right. After searching about 20 minutes or so, we found a hole right here that we was looking for. The ANC, the noise cancellation. It's right here in this hole in the back of the car, on the left rear, driver rear, I should say. What you do, you just pop this loose right here a little bit, and I don't know, you can see right there. You just unplug that little piece right there. That's a mic, the little mic they're hidden. Usually I see it up here, but it's not. So up there on the roof. But that should be it. Oh my goodness. Just for that little piece.